What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Family Dollar discount with Cash App in just a few quick, easy steps. The first thing we'll do is tap into our Cash App application, and then we'll tap the top right corner to our profile. Next, we'll tap on Explore Offers, and in the search bar at the top, you can type in Family Dollar. When you tap on Family Dollar, it'll bring you to this screen. This is a 5% off at Family Dollar coupon in person or online. You pay with your Cash App card, it's a one-time only coupon, and the max discount is $5. Once you've decided you would like this offer, tap Add Offer in the bottom of the screen. When the offer has successfully been added, you'll see a check mark below the logo. Now all you have to do is pay with your Cash App card in person or through the app at Family Dollar on your next purchase, and you'll receive 5% off. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope this helped you get your Family Dollar discount with Cash App quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this one. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.